Hello, my name is Cameron Snow, and I'm one of the co-founders here at Danomics. When we started Danomics, we had two goals in mind. First, we wanted to help you scale your interpretations to thousands of wells so that you can take advantage of the decades worth of data that are available to you. Second, we wanted to give you tools that let you do technical work at the highest levels. It's the combination of these two that make our platform unique. What I'll do during this demo is cover some of the key features that are available to you at a high level. So when we look at the platform, one of the first things to notice is that Danomics is 100% cloud-based. The software is entirely delivered through the web browser, meaning you can access it from anywhere at any time. When you log into Danomics, you're taken to your own custom workspace where all your files and folders are available, and you can share those with your colleagues so you can collaborate across disciplines. Within Danomics, we have three product lines. So our most prominent product right now is our Petrophysics and reservoir characterization software. When you come into the Petrophysics, we have designed this to add value in three unique ways. The first way is when you start a project, we automatically do a lot of work behind the scenes. We apply a large alias table to all of your data. We handle unit conversions. We handle compositing your data together. And we do all this so that way when you start a project, you don't have the heavy startup cost and time that are required. You're able to get your data in there, view it, and start working with it right away. We then have tools for things like curve normalization, where you can rapidly normalize your data to get everything in the same space to eliminate those variations due to vintage and poor tool calibration. We have tools like automated washout repair that'll help you identify places where your data is not truly reflective of the subsurface and help you to correct that to more reasonable values. And we do all of this so that way when you start your interpretation, you'll be starting it confident in the data that you're working with. Once you do this, we have a robust petrophysical workflow that'll take you through all the key reservoir properties from clay volume through your volumetrics. When we look at some of the interpretations that are available to you, we have built-in histograms and cross plots to help you better understand your data, and everything is drag and drop. For example, if I want to update my interpretations for my organic shales here in the Niobrara and Mowry formations, I can come here to my cross plot and I can drag and drop endpoints, and we see these interpretations are updating in real time. As I'm doing this, I can see how the changes that I'm making are affecting my results. I can also interact with my data in the log track with drag and drop parameters, and I could also make interpretations via my histograms. We try to give you a lot of ways to interact with your data. In terms of the workflow, our best-in-class workflow lets you walk through each module step by step, and in each of these modules, we have a wide array of methodologies that are available to you. For each of these, we've tried to build in all the usual suspects so that you'll have access to the tools, equations, and methodologies that you need. And our ultimate goal here is to give you an indication of where you have hydrocarbons and to understand the reservoir properties and the volumetrics that you'll be working with. Once you've identified this, maybe it's time to hand your project over to the reservoir engineering team. Your reservoir engineers, they'll have access to our decline curve analysis module. Here, we try to do something truly unique. When you bring your data in, we automatically decline out all of your wells. But unlike many products, we give you the ability to go in and manually adjust interpretations on a well-by-well data to allow you to really dial in your interpretation. When you come in here, you can set a number of filters, and this will filter your data set down. You can set some global constraints on your decline curves and even set your economics. Once you've done this, you can display your production here on the map in these bubble pie charts, and you can evaluate all of your wells in our decline curve analysis window. Here you can interact with your declines, or you can set parameters manually. We also have multi-well type curves where you can define a well set, and then you can drag and drop these points to draw your own decline curve to make it match the data that you see. You can normalize this on a lateral length basis, and you can view your type curves as averages or percentiles. Once you're done with your interpretation, you can do things like generate fluid summaries, evaluate summary tables here to help you rapidly QC your interpretation, or you can move to some of our advanced modules, such as our recovery factor analysis that allows you to pull in interpretations from your petrophysics to evaluate what your recovery factors are. And then finally, you can go to our mapping package. Here we have a GIS-like system, and this allows you to pull in your interpretations from the petrophysics and from your reservoir engineering, pull in additional data like your acreage, and tie it all together so you can truly understand what's going on in the subsurface. If you'd like to dive deeper into Danomics, feel free to contact us through the form that's available, or go to our website, www.danomics.com, where you can either register yourself for a free 30-day evaluation of the software or get in touch with us. Thank you.